Hi, everyone. My name is Amanda Dounis. I'm from the Positive Thinking Clinic, and I'm going to have Kaylin Dounis join me from Strategic Mindset and Wellness Clinic as well. Together, we're going to make an 8-episode podcast. Now, which audience is this for? It's for kids and young teens, roughly during the age of, say, about 8 to 14 years. It's also for parents who want to understand and support them better. Each episode will run for about 4 or 5 minutes. What we're going to do is we're just going to make it conversational and really fun. We're going to give tips, we're going to give examples, and we're going to offer strategies. It's going to be like this. I'll come in with a topic for an episode, and then Kaylin and I will bounce off each other. What we're going to do is give practical tips, strategies. We're going to talk about why it matters. We're even going to give away some challenges or some takeaway tips, maybe even homework so you can practice before the next session. So these are the topics that Kaylin and I think are extremely important. Concentration and focus. That'll be in episode number 1, and it'll be how to train your brain to stay on track. Then we're going to have in episode 2, behavior and self-control. We're going to talk about pausing, breathing, and choosing your response. And then in episode 3, we're going to focus on decision-making. Big choices, small choices, and learning to trust yourself. Episode 4 will be on friendships, how to be a good friend and handle tricky moments. Episode 5 will be on ADHD and busy minds, why your brain works differently and how to make it your superpower. Episode 6, confidence and self-esteem, believing in yourself even on tough days. Then episode 7, handling big feelings, strategies to calm down when emotions feel too big. And then finally in episode 8, we're going to speak about resilience, bouncing back when things don't go your way. So I hope you find these topics exciting. They're extremely important. They're relevant. Whether you have an ADHD brain or not, you will benefit from each episode. So I look forward to you joining us. See you soon.